Hi guys, so Anakin is here. I've just taken our addresses off the box. Hoppas du har minne på din telefon.
Så är det.
Oh my god. Okay, here's his blanket. And these are gifts for my girls. Here's a shirt. Here's a bib. And here's something knitted that she was talking to me about for Arwen. Håll käften! There. And a hat. It's adorable. Here are his socks. And here's his Christmas suit with the pants and the shirt. And there's supposed to be a hat. Wow, Ellie, you didn't show me these. These are pants. Wow, he's huge. And here's a sleeper for one of my girls. I'm scared. Here's a shirt. Here are pants. And a yellow onesie with a snail and a bee on it. Oh my god. Some All-Stars Converse. One Van shoe. I don't know where the other one is. Over here. And then some mini pants, girl ones. And then a Tommy Tippy bottle with the lid and a diaper cover. And pants for Anakin. A mini onesie for Arwen. The teeth thingy for the bottle. Some pants with feet and a shirt that says baby rules. I think that should be it. No, there's pacifiers. So there's this one with a dog on it. This one with a dog on it. And this newbie one. And then a toothbrush. And I think that's supposed to be it. No. Here's a dress or shirt thingy. Okay. Nu får du komma närmare. He's huge! Snyggt hår. Okay, I don't want to see his face. Pappa, kom närmare. Wow. He is gorgeous. He's really squishy. Okay, let's see your face. No!
It's a reindeer.
It's a reindeer.
Oh dear.
And his hair is all messed up. Don't look at the ground, look at the camera. Say hi, Ellie, I'm at my new mommy's house. Because I go, bye bye.